Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we will be drawing a custom Squishmallow Venusaur. Grab your drawing marker and let's get started. We're going to start with the two cute eyes. Let's start on the left of the page around this area. And then you just want to do a simple, small circle. And then we're going to add in a little circle above for the highlight. Let's draw in a line for the color. Once you have that done, we're going to move over maybe 2 inches to the right and then draw the same exact eye. Make sure they're the same size. With the eyes done, we can move over to the mouth. The mouth is just going to be a pretty big open mouth because Venusaur has a huge mouth. So we're going to start from the middle, go up and back down. And once you get to this point, we're going to repeat it on the other side. With the mouth done, let's just add some teeth. We're going to do one over here, another one here, and then 2 more on the bottom. 1, 2. With the teeth done, we just need to add in the tongue, which should be right in the middle following the mouth. With the mouth done, we're going to move over to the ears. For the first ear, we're going to go above the eye, straight up from the middle of the eye to this point, and we're going to go to the left and back down for the first ear. And we're going to repeat the same shape on the other side. So from the middle of the eye, up, and we're going to go out and down. And connected to the 2 ears is just going to be his first leaf. So we're just going to draw the top of the leaf, and then draw the sides. And we repeat the same exact shape on the other side. Once you have the leaf complete, we're just going to stem in the middle, right around here. And then let's add in the 2 details for the ears. So we're just going to do a quick line right here, complete the first detail, and we're going to do the same on the other side. 1, 2. Once you have the ears in, we can move over to the rest of the body. Let's just go on the arm on this side first. And then you're going to draw a line from here to here, and you want to stop right where the eye is. And then you can go down. And once you get to around the middle of the arm, we're going to add in the nails first. Venusaur has these cute little nails. It's just going to be almost like these triangular shapes. You just draw them in a row, and then you just want to connect them, complete the arm. And we repeat this arm on the other side. So you want to go from the ear down, and then from this point go down to around here, maybe a little lower. And then let's just draw in the 3 nails. So lining this up, and do 1, 2, 3. And then let's connect and draw the line. With the 2 arms done, we just need the bottom, the belly, which is a really simple shape. We're just going to go from this nail all the way to this nail. So from this point to here, and let's go down maybe 2 inches down. So let's connect the first line. And from this point to this nail. And that's the body. The face is missing one little detail. It's going to be the nostrils, so I'm just going to add that in. So right maybe around here, we're just going to add 1 here, and then 1 here for the nostrils. And Venusaur has this big flower on his back, so we're going to work on that. To start, we're going to do the stem of the flower. Let's do maybe from the middle of the leaf right here, or to the right of the leaf. I'm going to go a line up, and we're going to repeat this on the other side. And for his first petal, we're going to go from the center down all the way to the ear, right around here. And you want to go out from the ear and then connect it back to the middle. Let's give it a little bit of detail. And we're going to repeat the same on the other side. In the center of the ear, go out from the ear and then connect it. Really simple. And he does have this like flower in the middle that looks like a crown, so we're going to draw that first before we draw the rest of the leaves. So from this point towards the middle, go up. Same thing on the other side. Right around here, go up. And then we're going to just draw these zigzag marks. Then we're going to draw another pair right above to complete the crown. There you go. And let's complete the other petals. So from the crown, we're going to go out, down, out, down, and then one more layer of petals. We could just go from the center, out and top, out, and hit the top towards the middle of the leaf. With the flower done, let's add in the rest of the details for the flower. He does have zigzags on the stem, which is really easy. You just want to draw these zigzag marks and sit on one more above. And then for the flower, he has some like patterning, so we're just going to draw some random shapes inside. And then repeat the same shapes on the other side. So let's get this shape in, a little triangle here, that here, with that done, we just need the 2 leaves on either side and we're completed. So for the leaf, we're just going to start from here, go up, and let's start the leaf around this point. We're just going to draw this leaf pattern, which is similar to the center one, and then we're going to just add the stem in the middle, starting from this top of the ear, going down. And add the stem. With that leaf complete, we just need to repeat it on the other side. So around this part, we go up, and then similar to here, go across. Just add the leaf pattern. And then go up and down, and finally the stem. With that complete, we just need to add a little bit of details. I'm just going to add some bumps on his arms, similar to how Venusaur has bumps on his body. And I think we're good to go. I'm just going to add some color real quick to our Venusaur. And there you have it, a custom Venusaur Squishmallow. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.